Are you looking to buy OnePlus Nord CE 3 5G? Then you should watch this video in which I will be talking about some new problems on the phone. In this video, I am going to talk about two new problems that many users are facing on this phone. By the way, some users are also saying that they are having green lines on OnePlus Nord CE 3 5G. But as of now, I have only came across this fake video in which a person is showing fake green lines. The first new problem that is faced by some OnePlus Nord CE 3 5G users is motherboard issue. The phone seems to be in a boot loop and does not turn on. In addition to that, there also seems to be some problem with the display adapter because the display is having some glitch-like appearance, as you can see in this video. There are chances that this can happen after a new software update, but most probably this is because of a hardware damage, maybe because of fall or water damage. The second problem that I'm gonna talk about is the hang problem that's becoming too common nowadays. Earlier, hang problem was only faced by users who were using heavy usage applications or games or opening multiple apps at the same time. But now even when people are factory resetting the phone, it seems to hang like this. So the solution here is to press and hold volume down button and power button to force shut down the phone. It is really sad to see how the phone is hanging and the touch is not working even when the phone is being set up after factory resetting the phone. And I'm really sad that OnePlus is not releasing a new software update to address this problem that's being faced by lots of people. If you have any questions, please feel free to mention them in the comment section. Don't forget to watch these two videos in which I had talked about previous problems that was being faced by OnePlus Nord CE 3 users.